Hi everybody, welcome to Quick K-Pop Basics. Today we're going to be doing a head isolation. So hands on your shoulders. We want the shoulders to stay nice and still, okay? Focus all of your attention on your chin right here, okay? If you focus on your chin, it'll keep your head straight. It'll stop you from tilting around. Keep the move nice and sharp. We're going to start with the forward one. So I'm going to face the side so you can see, okay? Focus on your chin, leave your shoulders where they are, and lean the head as forward as you can, just using the neck and the chin, okay? Bring it back and lean forward again. It's okay if your moves are only small. We're just practicing, okay? Now bring it in towards the body. Okay, we're going to get a bit of double chin going here, but that's okay because we're just practicing, okay? In towards the body. Again, keeping focus on the chin. Let's try the side to side. Okay, this is where it gets really hard. Keep that head steady. Just focus on the chin. Almost like somebody's grabbing your ear and just pulling your head straight to the side. Leave the shoulders where they are. Keep the head straight, just moving from the chin. Again, it's okay if your moves are small. The important thing is that your head is straight and your shoulders are staying in place. All right, that's enough for today. Tomorrow we're going to start turning it into a full circle, but for now, you've done a great job and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.